In this video, we are going to show you how to redeem a $1 per month Shopify 90-day trial. So what that means is that if you avail this deal with us, is that you will only pay $1 for the next 3 months. For each month, you only get to pay $1. You only get to use $3 to pay for the next 3 months on your Shopify subscription. Now, the good thing about this is that that's not the only thing you get. You get 3 days for free, and you have a bunch of bonuses. So what are those bonuses, you might be wondering? So it's going to be the Shopify Copywriting Prompt Pack, the Shopify Store Management OS, Shopify Store Setup Checklist, Shopify SEO Checklist, and Shopify CRO Checklist. Now, all you need to do is go to the link on the description below, and it's going to bring you to this page right here, so you can avail these amazing features and these amazing deals. So after that, send us an email on the email that we have provided on the description below to finalize getting these awesome bonuses. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.